Several years back, as a chef in New Zealand, there was a hype around a new ingredient being used in the culinary scene, and this was finger limes. It wasn't available to us in New Zealand as it was a product native to Australia, and they weren't exporting it at that time. I then made the move to Bali, and after a couple of years, a supplier came in and said, look, I've got some trees and I should have some fruit soon. 2 months go by, no fruit. A couple more months go by, still no fruit. That was probably 2 years ago now. One day, Chef Braden came into the restaurant with a photo of finger limes on his phone that had been grown locally. I was immediately excited again and thought this is going to be my chance to finally work with them.
You can see all the fruit here. Some trees have them this year, some trees not.
A couple of days later, we got our first delivery of finger limes into the restaurant. I knew straight away that we wanted to continue working with them, so we purchased every piece of fruit that they had.
Producing and lots more than you see here. But do you want to open them?
Mark, the supplier, was able to guarantee us exclusive use of the product, meaning we were going to be the only restaurant in Bali with finger limes on the menu that were grown locally. Mark had also mentioned his primary crop, which was palm hearts. After hearing that, we immediately organised a farm tour to learn more about the crops and see them growing firsthand.
These are younger palms on this side. This was a separate block of land that we rented.
I'd never actually held fresh palm heart before. It was really delicate and unlike anything I'd used before. And that's awesome.
My father, when we cut down a coconut tree in Darwin years ago, he took the heart of it and he said, Mark, you'll never ever eat this again. This is millionaire salad. You have to cut a whole tree
just to get one.
Yeah.
After seeing, feeling and tasting the product, I can honestly say it was worth the wait. Sure, I could have shipped it from overseas, but shipping makes the product more expensive, it can impact the quality, and it's more detrimental to the environment. I really like having ingredients on the plate that were grown in the same location. It fits well in my head, they belong together, they've grown together, they can be eaten together.